Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Free Learning. I hope you all are doing well. I am your facilitator Shabnam Ara. Today's topic is kinds of pronoun. In our previous chapter we have discussed about personal pronoun, possessive pronoun and demonstrative pronoun. In this new video we are going to discuss about interrogative pronoun, reflexive pronoun and emphasizing pronoun. So let's get started. The fourth kind of pronoun is interrogative pronouns. The pronoun that are used to ask questions. The pronoun that are used to ask any question are called interrogative pronoun. जिन pronoun का use question पूछने के लिए किया जाता है उन्हें interrogative pronoun कहते हैं. For example, who wants a chocolate? Chocolate किसे चाहिए? Which of the two girls came first? दोनों लड़कियों में से कौन सी फर्स्ट आई थी? सो देयर आर द इंट्रोगेटिव वर्ड्स आर what, which, who, whom and whose. How to use these are? Let's see. What is used for asking question about the things? For example, what is your name? About any general things. But when we use which is used to ask about particular thing or people. Which is your camera? आपका कौन सा कैमरा है? Who and whom and whose are used to ask about the people. For example, let's see. Who are you? आप कौन हैं? For whom will you vote? आप किसको वोट देंगे? Whose is this book? ये बुक किसकी है? So the next and fifth kind of pronoun is reflexive pronoun. So look at these sentences. I enjoyed myself. They learnt themselves. Myself, themselves. So the highlighted words are used when the subject and the object of a sentence refer to the same person or same thing. When the words the reflexive pronoun are used when the subject and the object of a sentence refer to the same word or same thing or same pronoun, then they are called reflexive pronouns. Like here, I is the subject of the sentence and myself is the object of the sentence, and it refers to same subject I myself enjoyed. They themselves learn. वो खुद ही उन्होंने याद कर लिया. मैंने खुद ही अपना मज़े ले लिए, खुश हो लिया. So these pronouns are formed by the addition of the suffix. Suffix means the part of the word which is added after the word. Like my is the word and self is suffix which is added after the word. So self is the singular word and selves is the plural word. So this self and selves, this is added to the simple pronouns. Then it will become reflexive. Like myself, yourself, herself, himself, themselves and ourselves. So like this we can see the reflexive pronoun how to form. Now let's see the next type of pronoun. Number 6 is emphasizing pronouns. So emphasizing pronoun that are used for emphasize are called emphasizing pronoun. I myself should do this. My father himself made this box. You can see here reflexive and emphasizing pronouns may be identical in form but their functions are different. Both are identical, same. दोनों similar लग रहे हैं. यहाँ पर reflexive pronoun और ये एम्फेसाइजिंग प्रोनाउन, दोनों के जो फॉर्म है फॉर्मेशन के रिगार्डिंग तो दोनों सेम लग रहे हैं, बट दोनों का जो फंक्शन है, जो यूज़ है वो बिल्कुल डिफरेंट है. लेट्स सी. रिफ्लेक्टिव और रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउंस इफ द एक्शन ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट रिफ्लेक्ट्स अपॉन द डूअर. रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन में जब हम माई सेल्फ और हेम सेल्फ को यूज़ कर रहे हैं या देम सेल्फ को यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो उसका जो एक्शन है, जो फंक्शन है वो क्या है, डूअर के एक्शन को रिफ्लेक्ट करता है. बट इन एम्फेटिक और एम्फेसाइसिव प्रोनाउंस ऑन द अदर हैंड आर यूज टू एम्फेसाइज द एक्शन ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट. सब्जेक्ट के वो एक्शन को वो एम्फेसाइज करता है, उस पर जोर डालता है. ठीक. सो हेयर आई हैव गिवन 2 एग्जाम्पल्स. ही कट हिमसेल्फ and he himself cut the cake. So here he is reflecting to the subject, this himself, but he is emphasizing to the action of cut. So that's all for today's video. I hope you all will like the video, and if you have any suggestion regarding the video, please tell us in comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for getting notification of new video. Hit the like button and share with your friends. Thanks for watching Free Learning. Jai Hind.